This beautifying serum contains magical oil which skin loves. Hey everyone, welcome back to my favorite work. Today we are going to see a review on Deyga Beautifying Serum. If you're new here, I'm Philmita. I do video on skincare, haircare, makeup and DIY. If you're interested, please do subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I upload video. Without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Deyga is an Indian brand and I have spoke about the brand in my previous Deyga video. If you haven't checked out, please go check it out. I'll put the link of that video on the I button on top. Make sure you check it out so that you will know some information about the brand. So without delaying, we'll move on to today's video, that is Deyga's Beautifying Serum. The product comes in a glass amber bottle and also has a filler cap on top. The product comes in an amber bottle so that it doesn't changes its natural color and also it retains the strength of the serum. All the details regarding the product is clearly mentioned in the outer package, and the only ingredient which is used in this serum are Moringa oil, bitter almond oil, Baobab cocoa oil, watermelon seed oil, kush kush essential oil and grapeseed oil. There is no chemical in this product and also there is no hidden ingredient. So let me show you how to use this serum. Cleanse your face well and take few drops of beautifying serum and spread it evenly on the skin. I always prefer to use this serum at night before bed. Pat the serum onto the skin. It will get absorbed, not fully, but you won't feel any greasy or stickiness. The Moringa oil in the serum hydrates and prevents dry skin condition. And also it prevents and minimizes sunspot, control oily skin. Bitter almond oil improves complexion and skin tone. Grapeseed oil makes skin softer and more elastic. It's been widely tested and used in many skincare products. Baobab oil helps reduce skin redness, irritation, swelling to treat acne. The ingredient itself gives a view that this serum works for oily, dry and sensitive skin. Best part is that there is no need of using any other product to my skin when I'm using this serum. It works as a moisturizer and also as an under eye serum. It's 100% natural, gives a good glow the following day after using this serum. I would highly suggest you guys to give this product a try and no worries about side effects. Just leave it overnight and let the magic happen. So I hope you all found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.